Yung, hi Ellie. May pa ba? Kasi actually ano yun, nagsimula yan sa sa Horizon. Kasi gumaganon-ganon sila, gumaganon-ganon sila. Tapos may mga nagsisiliparan, ganyan. So ako, gaya naman ako. So, tapos ang galing bigla may heart. So ayun, wala na. Kanina ko pa siya ginagawa. Meron pa kang ganun parang fireworks ata to, pero hindi siya gumagana. Meron ding light. Hindi rin siya gumagana sa amin. Parang gumagana lang yung balloons and yung heart. Yeah, ayun. Hi Valeria, I miss you. Yung pagpigil ng tao kanina. Siyempre ko si Prescon yun, no? Hi, Deep Purple Pink! How are you? Pero yan, nagpipigil ako ng tao. Siyempre, Prescon yun Parang, kasi siya, parang, siyempre pag Prescon, ewan ko, ako kasi may anxiety talaga ako with, like, hindi naman anxiety, pero alam mo yun, may kaba ako every Prescon, dalawa yan, every Prescon and every red carpet. Kinakabahan ako lagi. Hi, Louise! Hello! Pero, yeah, meron akong kaba doon always na hindi ko gets kung saan siya nanggagaling, pero ayun. So, kanina, kailangan ko talaga, alam mo yun, parang feeling ko, coping mechanism ko na ata talaga yung pag ganon, yung pagiging makulit. So, yun. Sorry, guys. Sorry dahil nakita niyo yan. Suggest ako name ng cat. Harvey. Harvey. Kasi that's my cat before. Yeah. I don't know kasi if you wanna name your cat Lucifer. Kasi meron ng black cat before and you name niya Lucifer kasi all black siya. And favorite ko talaga yung Lucifer na series nun. So, yeah. I had 2 cats before. Pareho silang Persian. And I have a all black one and then a striped one. Hindi naman siya striped, pero yung may mga dots ng black, pero gray siya. Ganun. Hello. Anyway, kung kanina na nyo, parang talaga ako in my bangs kanina pa kasi hindi siya umaayos. Pero yun, wala na akong magagawa, tapos na yung press ko and hindi maayos yung bangs ko kanina. So, yeah. Oh well. Nakita niya yan, yung pinapakikot ko yung hair ko. Like this. Kasi yun, parang naka-outfit kami, like full-on outfit kami kanina, tapos nakaupo lang kami, sabi namin, okay, sige guys, eksena tayo sa dulo, pag nagbabay na tayo, pakita natin yung mga pakita natin yung everything. So sila Charlotte, OOTD, sila ate siya, ako yung hair, tapos ginaganon-ganon ko siya kanina. So sorry sa mga nakakita nun, sorry talaga guys. What video games do you play? I play Mobile Legends. Alam niyo ba, sobrang kinaadikan ko na talaga siya. Like, it's parang lately, nagiging na siya, parang bisyo, ganun. Na parang, whenever I feel sad or anxious or ganyan, mag-aaya ako sa friends ko, like, tara ML tayo, okay, ML. Yan. Minsan inaaya ko si Alexa. Or yung buong kaya. Pero usually si Alexa yung kalaro ko Pero, yeah. Naging ganun na, parang naging dependent na ako sa ML. So, rank ko. Actually, alam niyo, totoo yung sinasabi ni Alexa na once na mag-epic kayo, matatagalan kayo dyan. So, it's gonna take years before you go to the next one. Parang ganun. Kasi, na ako ngayon, epic 3 na ako, pero nabawasan ko na lahat ng stars ko. So, pag natalo pa ako once sa rank, magbabalik ako epic 4. So, hindi muna ako naglalaro ng rank ngayon. Puro lang ako classic or brawl. Pero ayun, let's segue. Meron kaming event sa Mobile Legends on July 20 sa Market. So sa mga pwedeng punta kayo guys. And yeah, event siya ng Mobile Legends and kasama kami with Alamat. And we'll see, malay nyo i-perform namin yung song namin sa ML. Tingnan natin. So yeah, punta kayo. Ayan. Parang KOL Brawl. So, kung alam niyo yung Brawl sa Mobile Legends, I think may mga laro-laro din doon. So, kung naglalaro kayo ng Mobile Legends, please go. Please, I will see you there. Hello, everyone. Anong oras? Wala pa kaming time exactly kung anong oras kami magpa-perform or yung Alamat. Pero yes, sa siya, July 20, sa Market. Ayan. Hello everyone! How are you? How is your night going? Actually, alam niyo ba, dapat pupunta ako ng UPIPS concert after nung press con. Pero, ewan ko, for some reason, mas gusto kong mag-live and talk to you all. So, yeah. Clingy pala. Clingy pala. Hindi, charot lang. Kaya na nila yun. Pero yeah, I would like to congratulate my UPIPS family. Hindi nila nakikita to kasi nasa stage sila ngayon. Pero, yeah. Congrats on the concert. Advance congrats na sa success ng concert. Kasi this is by far the biggest company, I think. Kasi 150 dancers ata sila today. And 2 shows yun. So, good. Pero, yeah, good job. Hello, everyone. Road to Mythic tayo. Yes, of course. ML name. My ML name is Sopyangi. As in Sopyangi. Yeah. Oh my gosh, si Alpha Sky din andito. Hello! Kumusta ka naman? Kumusta dyan sa Singapore? Happy birthday. Sino to? Birthday daw niya. Pogandang Blooms. Happy birthday. Hello everyone. Yes, tama. Sopyangi. Yes, of course. That one. Punta kayo sa Antipolo. Well, we'll see. You know, hindi ako masyadong nagpupunta sa Antipolo. Alam mo, pag pumupunta ako sa Antipolo, lagi lang ako naka-resort, ganun, or kung gusto ko mag-outing. Usually, alam nyo ba, pag mag-outing kami ng UPIPS, it's usually in Antipolo. Pero, sana may show din kami dyan. Hopefully. Ika muna. Anyway, hello everyone sa mga andito tonight. Sana nakakain na kayo ng dinner. Sana masarap ang dinner nyo. Hindi pa ako kumakain kasi kakauwi ko lang. But, yeah. Sana masarap ang inyong ulam tonight. Tuloy po ba yun sa July 27? July? Hindi ko na siya, personality. Oh no. Actually, alam mo, iniisip ko, gusto ko pa magpa-bleach kahit once pa. Yeah, parang gusto ko pa mag-isa pa. Kasi itong hair color ko na to, pangalawang patong na to eh. It's actually a cool toned na brown siya. And, I don't know, parang gusto ko mag-warm ulit, pero hindi ako sure kung ano ba talagang bagay sa akin. So, bahala na. Oh my gosh, si Lloyd andito. Hi, Lyd. Kamusta ka naman dyan? Hello po, everyone. Ano po ganap niyo today? So today, press con kami for Watson. So sa mga nakanood, sana nag-enjoy kayo and sana abangan nyo and sana makapunta kayo. So yes, that's on August 18 and meron kaming collab stage with G22, so we're very excited for that one. And ayoko na mag-spoil ng mga songs na kakantahin namin doon, but songs. So yeah, never perform songs. Kaya watch out for that one. Stay tuned, everyone. Sana makapunta kayo talaga. And yes, pa-sold out na at if I'm not mistaken, parang mabilis yung selling ng tickets. Kaya punta na kayo sa Watsons and buy your goods and you can get your tickets. Yay! Hello, everyone. Gift reco sana. What do you mean? Gift for you? Or for me? Or for what? Bakit wala akong broadcast channel now? Kasi I'm trying to, not be toxic. Pero, hindi, joke lang. Pero, mabalik ko siya soon. Pero not now. Pero I do miss my broadcast channel though. Kasi dun ko kayo na-update about sa mga ganap namin, kung ano oras kami mag-perform, kung nasa na kami, ganun. So, yeah, I'll bring it back very soon. Pero for now, yeah. Muna ako? Quiet. I hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm doing fine. Yeah. I like your contacts. Really? Yeah. Thank you. Kumain ka na? Not yet. After pa netong live. Yeah. Mamaya na ako kain. Okay no? Hope you have enough rest. Thank you. Oh my gosh, si Cleo andito. Hey! Hey! What's up with you? Ikaw! Ano yun nakita talaga? Gusto ko itong ganun yun. Anyway, I'll see you soon. And you tell me everything. Anyway, Cleo is one of my best friends. So kung nakikita niyo siya dyan ng gugulo, guluhin niyo rin. Guluhin niyo rin yung TikTok niyan, guys. Pero yeah. Ikaw ha. I'm hearing so much about you. Charot. Anyway, ayun. Hoy, pumunta kayo sa pumunta kayo sa Watson's ha. Anyway, kasama pala namin yung SB19. SB19, Horizon, Alamat, G22, and Kaya. And magkakaroon kami ng collab ng G22. So, sana abangan nyo yun. Ano favorite flowers ko? I'm basic. I just want... Actually, like, originally, gusto ko talaga ng roses. Pero parang ang ganda ng carnations na... yeah, ayun. Yung dalawang yun. I stand Kaya kahapon lang po. Yay! Hey! Welcome. Welcome to the family. This is Ash. Welcome. Nag-VIP me sa Watson's for you. Wow! Really? Thank you. Hopefully we see you there. Hindi ko alam kung pwede magkaroon ng mga signs. Like yung mga banners and all. I think meron lang like size nun. Pero, yeah. If pwedeng magpasok, please. I wanna see you and I wanna see everyone sa crowd. What's Kaya's fandom name? This is Maki ba yung name niya? Hala, nawala na siya. But yes, our fandom name is Zaya. Kasi it means, if you search it up, I think it means light of God. Or gift from God. Ayan. And, wala lang, parang na lang din namin. Parang kinonect namin with, di ba kaya kami, and yung Zaya, it can be like kazayahan namin. So, yeah. Ayan po yung meaning talaga nun. Anyway, thank you po sa mga nag-gift. I love you all. Pero you don't really have to do that. But thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Deeper po, Pink. Thank you. Hi, Kayel. Thanks for the roses. Saan si Ate Angela? Nagpapahinga sila now kasi kakauwi lang namin. And I think may kumakain sa labas. So, ayun. Anyway, speaking of food, you have to try yung bagong hi, Marl! You have to try the new products ng KFC. Yung creamy spinach na hindi ko alam collection ba tawag din, pero yeah, yung mga bago, yung creamy spinach na twister, yung favorite ko, and the corn. Yung burger, pwede na rin siya. Parang, it's, kasi ako like, original zinger enjoyer ako. Pero yeah, masarap talaga yung creamy spinach nila. So, you guys have to try that one. Alam niyo, gawin niyo, lagay niyo yung parang corn, dun sa twister, and, sarap talaga. Sarap. Pero yeah, you have to try. Please try it. I like it so much. Yeah, rest na po. Well, this week, yes. But, well, physically, yes. Pero mentally, I'm not so sure about that. Pero, yeah. Kaya yan, wala akong choice. Na-joke lang. Pero yeah, I'm okay. I hope kumakain ka ng mabuti. I am trying recently kasi there came a time na parang nawawalan ako ng gana. Out of nowhere, hindi ko alam kung bakit talaga. Bigla ko nawawalan ng gana kumain. Parang konti ko kumain and then ngayon tinatry ko siyang ibalik. So, yeah. Thanks for the concern. Nasaan si Ate Alexa? Si Ate Alexa ay kumakain, I think. Or getting ready for bed. I'm not sure. Pero yeah. New Zaya po here. Ano po meaning ng kaya? Hi, love. Kaya means, galing siya kasi sa Cebuano na word. It's called, kinaiya. And kinaiya means like inner character or inner personality, attitude, ganyan. So, kami, parang ayun talaga yung parang sinastrengthen namin, parang yung personality ng bawat isa, and the personality of Kaya itself. So, yeah. So, even may kambal kami, like, they have different personalities. So, yeah. dun yung makikita like kung saan kayo, kung kaninong member kayo nakaka-relate, parang ganun. So, yeah. Ayun yung parang, I don't wanna say puhunan, pero parang ganun. Gets ba? Na parang, ayun yung tinatry naming i-build talaga. Like, makilala nyo kami isa-isa and makilala nyo kami as a group. So, yeah. So, just color ng rubber, silver or gray. I don't try to put any other color sa ngipin ko. It's just silver or gray. Anyway, kakagaling ko lang pala sa dentist yesterday, like, for cleaning, and ang sakit pa rin ng gums ko ngayon, but, yeah. Hi, Mark! See you so Watson. Tina's GF, hello, see you. Hello, everyone. Anyway, yung Kaya girls are all resting right now, and ako lang yung nag-iingay dito, kaya hindi ako masyadong nagsisigaw kasi nagpapahinga kaming lahat, but, yeah. They're all, may mga kumakain sa labas, may mga, nagtatanggal na ng makeup and hair and everything. So, yeah. Andyan lang sila. I'm happy na dumadami na projects ng Kaya. Thank you! Yes, so, for the past few months, medyo, kami, busy talaga yung Kaya, and I'm very thankful kasi, daming blessings na dumadating, that's one, and yes, nagiging, booked and busy, ganun. Che Gummy, hello! Thank you so much for your gifts. I love you. But yeah, ano sinasabi ko? Ayun, booked and busy kami lately, and it's a good kind of stress for the most part. Pero yeah, okay lang yun. Pero thank you for wanting the best for Kaya, and yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you. Eh. Thank you, everyone. Do the helicopter. Alam niyo ba, it's a thing kasi. It's a thing sa dance community. If you know Royal Family or sorority, ayun, lagi nila tong ginagawa talaga. I don't know why. Pero lagi nilang ginagawa yan. Hindi ko siya magawa na kasi wala akong space. Pero, yeah. Ginaganon. I did that kanina sa live. Di ko na alam kung bakit. Napagutusan lang, guys. Sorry. Hi, Angelica. Thanks for the roses. Gift reco for... Oh, for me? For me? Why? I don't know. I don't ask for gifts. Hindi ako hindi ako like, pag ako yung taong pag tinatanong mo, pag tinanong mo ako kung anong gusto ko for my birthday, I don't know. I know I need a lot of stuff, pero I don't know kung ano yung papabili ko sa inyo. Parang ganun. And, yeah. I don't know. I really don't know. Pero, if you were to give me a gift, I want something na, ikaw na bahala. I want something na I would use every day. Ayun. Well, kahit not every day. Kahit parang, I'd get to use it. Parang ganun. So, yeah. My love language is quality time. So, yeah, high maintenance ako, guys. Sorry. Recommend po no lippy products. I recommend Bare & Bliss Peach Makes Perfect 06. That's what I use most of the time pag nagpo-perform. So, yeah. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Hello. Hi, Angel Rain. Pero, yeah, magpa-perform kayo sa Miss World Philippines. Yes, so we're performing sa Miss World on July 19. Ito yung mga ganap namin for the next few weeks. So, meron kaming July 19. That's for Miss World Philippines sa MOA Arena. July 20, ayan yung sa Mobile Legends. That's, Mobile Legends, it's in Market. Ayan, July 20. Tapos, July 27 sa North EDSA, I think. If I'm not mistaken, North EDSA, yung fan gathering ng Anchors. It's yung Horizon event. Ayan, July 27. And then August 18, Watson's playlist sa MOA Arena ulit. And then my birthday. Oh my gosh, magda-23 na ako. Anyway, alam niyo, for the past few months, sinasabi ko sa mga tao na 23 na ako when I'm still 22 now. turning 23. Hindi ko naman ba't ako nagmamadali. Pero, ayun, sorry sa mga nasabihan kong 23 na ako. Sorry guys, 22 pa lang ako for now. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, yun pala. July 28, yung Truth Festival also. So, yeah, booked and busy ang mga people. Alam niyo, for this month, I don't have weekends. So, pretty cool. Ano na naman? Tingnan niyo ito si Charlotte. Ano? Parang yung to, hindi nagsasalita. Whisper challenge kami ni Charlotte. Ano? Ano naman? Oh, ano?
Hello! Send kayo maraming gifts. Siyempre naman ako ni Sophia.
Hoy, wag ka na.
Please send lots of cards.
Wait lang, I will flip the cam. Ay, wait.
Okay.
Teka lang, asa?
I'm so
Wait,
ready.
how do you... Hala, inawari. Yan. Wow, kinis.
Hindi nyo na nakita sa live, di ba? Ay, nakita.
Bedoble kara ka dyan, ah.
Kumbaga, gusto mo girly, okay. Gusto niya hip-hop? Ito. Please send lots of corgis!
Hi!
Para ma-transfer niya na agad.
Nangihingi siya ng mask. Pero yeah, ayan si Charlotte, nakita niya na. Pero anyway, ay sana pala pinag-iing natin siya. Pero yun, ano yung sinasabi niya? Huy, joke lang! Di Purple Pink, thank you for the corgi. Huy, joke lang ah, huwag kayo mag-send ng sobrang dami ah. It's up to you pa din, pero alam mo yun, huwag niyo siyang pakinggan. Favorite movie ko. My favorite movie now is Inside Out 2. Hinihintay ko siyang lumabas sa Disney Plus. Kasi papanoorin ko siya ulit. And you know what? Ang galing kasi ever since that movie came out, I feel like isa yun sa mga rason kung paano ako nag-express ng feelings ngayon. Kasi hindi talaga ako magaling dun eh. Like, ano ako dyan? Like, wala nga ako sa top 10 sa galing dyan eh. Pero, yeah, hindi ako talaga marunong mag-express ng any kind of emotion. So, minsan lumalabas siya as anger. Hindi siya usually, like, lagi, ganun. So, because of Inside Out, parang I think nag-improve ako, ganun. Pero, yeah, alam ko na kung paano nag-work ba yung utak ng bawat isa. So, yeah, it's a good movie. So, kung hindi niyo pa napapanood, I think it's still in theaters. So, yeah. Good luck sa mga projects niyo. Thank you. Thank you, Mint. Ay ko naman. More projects para sa inyo. Yes, hopefully. And thank you. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to Zaya. Thank you to you all for supporting P-Pop. Kasi because of your support, sa support na binibigay niyo to even other groups, nadadamay din kami in a good way. Ganon. So, yeah, thank you for your support dahil lumalaki na talaga yung P-Pop and I believe in the success of P-Pop and hopefully this year, mag-boom na yung mga P-Pop groups. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you for supporting. Kailan balik niyo sa Davao? I'm not sure yet, pero isa yun sa mga, like I said, isa yun sa mga cities na lumalabas talaga sa sa mga conversations namin pag gusto namin mag-tour. So, yes, hopefully very, very soon. At the Sof, is there a song na very attached ka these days? Leve songs. From the Start, Falling Behind, and Promise. Yan, yung tatlong yun. And Goddess pala. Those 4 songs. Isa yun sa mga, ayun yung mga parang ang ng attachment ko with, parang my emotions for some reason, hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero ayun. My lippy today is Bare and Bliss. Peach Makes Perfect 06. So, ito siya sa lips ko. Hindi siya the same. Like, pag nagsaswatch kayo ng lippies, napapansin nyo, hindi siya same sa mga swatch online, sa swatch mo, sa swatch ng kaibigan mo or kapatid mo. Kasi we all have different skin tones. So, baka hindi bagay ito sa'yo. Baka bagay. So, you can try. This is Peach Makes Perfect 06. I forgot the shade name, pero yun, 06. nasa ano ko, nasa room. I'm in our condo, in our dorm. So yeah. Ito lang ako sa gilid. Alam niyo yung katabi ko? Wall. Kasi medyo magulo. So, sorry about that. So, dito lang tayo. Favorite OPM band? OPM band? Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, Eraserheads pa din. Classic. Ang ganda pa, iconic pa rin talaga ng songs nila until now. Hello everyone! Hello sa mga kakarating lang. I hope you had a good dinner. And sa mga hindi pa kumakain, please kumain na kayo. Sana makakain kayo ng maayos and sana masarap ang ulam nyo. Pero for now, I'm gonna mukbang chips. Kasi nagbigay yung mga fans ni Ate Cha, yung mga cherries. Thank you sa mga cherries sa pagbigay sa amin nito. Pero binigyan nila kami isa-isa. So, yeah, thank you. I think this is barbecue. Yeah. So, thank you. Kasi nasa harap ko na siya eh. So, parang tinatawag na niya ako na parang, ooh, I'm just here. But yeah. Crunchy na. Alam niyo, ang weird ng cravings ko lately. So, di ba usually, pag kumakain ka ng dinner, it's usually savory, ganyan. So, ako naman, so after ko mag-savory, gusto ko ng something sweet. After ng something sweet, gusto ko ng something crispy or crunchy. Tapos bumabalik ako sa salty ulit. So, ewan ko. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang yun or kayo din, pero, yeah. Any advice po sa mga insecure? Everybody has those. Whether, parang insecurity with your physical appearance, insecurity with your career, insecurity with your academics, or, life in general. Everyone has those. It's normal, pero don't let it bring you down. Ganon. Parang, ewan ko, as I grew older, parang naisip ko talaga, parang, there will always be someone who has a better something than you. Parang ganon. Parang, don't expect yourself to be perfect. Ganon. Kasi, yung disappointment na makukuha mo whenever you think, parang, when you see someone or be with someone na parang, you think mas magaling siya sa'yo sa mga ganitong bagay. Yeah. So, take it easy on yourself. That's one. That's my advice. And second one, celebrate yourself, of course. And celebrate others then. And yeah, accept yourself for who you are. Kasi you are right where, where you have to be in life. Or, in general. Kaya, take it easy. Take it easy on yourself. So, yeah. Laban natin yan. Laban tayo lahat. Hindi makailan comeback nyo. Malay mo this month. Malay mo next month. We'll see. Hello everyone! Inom ka water ha. Alam niyo yung ininom ko? Matcha. And medyo alarming kasi for the past few days parang hindi pala ako masyadong nakakapag-water. So, I don't know anymore. My favorite color is pink. Comfort drama series. You know my comfort series ngayon? Bluey. As in yung cartoons ha? Bluey. Bluey and medyo hindi ito magandang reflection ng character ko pero I promise you this is not me. Alam niyo yung You? Yung series na You? It's another comfort series for me. Yung may stalker si Joe, ayun. Yeah, I like that one. So yeah, You and Bluey yung pinapanood ko ngayon. If I want something on the background lang, it's Friends or Modern Family. Yeah. If you wanna try, Bluey is so good. Papatulog ko yan kasi hindi siya hindi siya stimulating. Like, yun parang there's a study behind that na parang for kids kasi yun. Like, a kids show talaga siya. So, yung mga stimulating, yung parang, yung mas naging hyper yung utak ng bata. Yan yung mga Peppa Pig or something like that. And then Bluey yung parang, it calms them down. And even as adults, actually, parang ang dami mo pa rin matututunan with Bluey. So, yeah. On like how to treat people, parang ganon. Or parang kung paano ka dapat makisama with other people, parang ganon. So, yeah, you learn a lot from Bluey also. And then, You, please don't learn anything from You. Kasi masama yun. Pero, ayun, wala lang. Parang, nakikita ko kasi all over TikTok na parang nagsushoot na sila ng season 5. So, I am waiting for that one. But yeah. Huwag daw ako masyado mag-unhealthy food. So, ano gagawin ko dito? Tatapon ko, ibigay ng fans to. Thank you sa Cherish. You as in you. Yeah, You as in Y-O-U. Ayun. Actually, Ay! Oo nga pala. There was a time na naglaro ako with Ate Angela ng ML. And may kasama pala siyang Zaya. So, ang saya. Ang saya talaga kasi nanalo kami. So, yeah, ang galing niya pala maglaro ng ML Ayan Buhat na buhat. Buhat na buhat. Pero yun, sana makalaro ko kayo soon. Very soon. Papalakas muna ako. Hi, Kitty! Hoy, andito pala si Vange. Hi, Vange! Paturo te. Huy! Ewan ko sa inyo. Hawig mo si Hinata ng XG. Alam nyo, ever since tipitos pa lang nila, sinasabihan na ako nun. So, I think magkamukha nga talaga kami. You know, sometimes ang creepy talaga. Like, kasi diba sa Instagram, parang pinapakita na yung mga selfies or yung mga pictures even if you don't follow them. So, there's one time, nagsiscroll ako sa IG. Tapos, ito pa yung medyo blonde pa ako nun eh. Hindi siya ganitong kulay, pero it's lighter. So, parang, okay, scroll ako. Akala ko ako. So, parang sabi ko, kailan tong picture na to? Hindi pala ako. Parang napa-double take ako na parang, ako ba yan? Kailan to? Pero, yeah, si Hinata pala. So, minsan, yes, nakikita ko talaga siya. But, sometimes it's creepy. Not gonna lie. Medyo creepy na siya for me. Pero, yeah. Although, nagaganda na ako sa kanya, but parang ako hindi. I don't know. I don't get it. Wala po ako sa Pure Gold yesterday. Wala akong ticket eh. Next dance class when? I don't know yet. We'll see. If you guys want, okay. Try nating isked. Pero wala pa akong choreo din eh. So, we'll see. You know what I've been wanting to teach? Yung intro ng blah blah. That's what I wanna teach. Pero I don't know if you guys want. Pero yeah, gusto ko siya ituro. Hello everyone. Comfort OPM song, Di na Muli, by Janine Tanyoso and OPM pala. Hello everyone. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Sana nakapag-winner na kayo. To, ano to? Girl dinner. Charot. Hi, kay Ann. Mag-ML kayo sa 20? Most probably. Yeah. Eat healthy foods pa din. Yeah, I'm gonna have dinner after this one. Pero for now, ano pa lang to? Warm up. Charot lang. Drink water, so yeah, I will. Sorry, guys. Favorite flavor? Sweet and spicy. Yun, approve yun sa akin agad. Paano pa ba natin name mo, Sophia or baby? Uy! Grabe ka, Jai. Ang lakas mo. Nabalik na ba ni Kuya Ken yung mug mo? Sadly, no. Pero it's okay. Hi, Steve. Thank you po sa heart. Pero yeah, no, not yet. It's my friend's mug. May nagbabasa ka Wattpad? Yes, before. Tinry ko basahin before yung Reina in España. Pero parang hindi ko siya natapos. My current LSS now, close to you talaga. Gracie Abrams. Yeah. Nag-dinner ka na? Not yet. Warm up pa lang. Warm up talaga. Wow! Happy birthday! Thank you, Deep Purple Pink. Thank you po sa mga nag-gift. Hi, Dens! Ano po masasabi mo sa Cloud 7? Okay, here we go. Here we go! So, first time naman makasama yung Cloud 7 sa AMA ata. AMA yun, no? Parang andun din ata sila. Pero hindi namin sila naka-interact talaga. Tapos, ito na, AOS. Magkasama kami. Tapos, yung dressing room kasi namin, parang it's yung mga walls niya, hindi siya ganun ka hindi siya ganun kanipis. Ay, hindi siya ganun kakapal. So medyo manipis siya ganun. Tapos alam niyo kami, tawa talaga ako dito. Nagme-makeup ako. Tapos dinig sila, naglalaro sila ng ML, tapos gusto kong sumali. Pero yun, sobrang sobrang ingay nila, pero in a good way, kasi alam mo yung nakakatuwa yung ingay nila, ganun. And sobrang saya makita na they're enjoying with each other, pero yeah. Really great kids. Tapos yung isa pala sa kanila, 13. Oh my gosh, kapatid ko na yun. Parang, mas siya, alam mo, yung 13 na yun, 3 years older lang than JJ. So parang, wow, galing mo naman. Ganun. So yeah, I really like them. Sobrang sobrang babait na mga bata, and they're very talented too. And hoping na lumaki din sila. Yeah. I think starting pa lang sila, no? Pero ang laki ng fanbase nila, grabe. So yeah, ayun yung masabi ko sa Cloud 7. Ang laki ng fanbase nila. Hello everyone. Tatakan mo sa nakain mo. Sorry. Yeah. Kasi nagugutom na ako, pero I still wanna talk. So, multitask tayo, guys. Plans for new hair color. Ayun, gusto ko magpa-bleach ulit. Kahit once. Tapos, bahala na. We'll see. We'll go from there. Tips for auditions. Okay. So, ang dami ko kasi nakikita ngayon ng mga auditions for entertainment. So, sa Onesie. May audition sila now. So, my tip for auditions is showcase nyo na lahat. lahat ng kaya niyong gawin, ipakita niyo. As in, even things na not related to performing, gawin niyo pa rin. Yeah. Kasi, hindi niyo sure baka, baka they find it interesting and ilagay nila kayo dun. Alam niyo yung mga entertainments now, they don't really, hi Jennifer, hi Dance, thank you po sa gifts, pero, sinasabi ko, they're not really, looking for people na super galing na agad. Parang ganun. Parang they look for people who have, great potential for improvement. Ganun. So, yes, i-showcase nyo lahat ng kaya nyong gawin sa singing, sa dancing, everything. Just ipakita nyo lahat, and of course, be yourself. Show your personality. If you're funny, go be funny. If if parang mysterious kayo, well, try to show a little bit of personality then, pero yes, stick to your personality, stick to yourself. Huwag kayo magpanggap as someone else, and just showcase everything. Bigay nyo lahat. Ganun, that's my tip. I don't think I was able to do that, honestly. Nung nag-audition ako, parang hindi. So, yeah. See you sa event. See you also. Anyway, I'll see you guys sa mga events namin. So, madami yan very, very soon. Kaya, if free kayo on that day, please try to go. Hoy, Felix! ML tayo. Grabe sa pabuhat, kayo nga ang gagaling mag-ML dyan. Nabasa mo ng Costa Leona series? No. Thank you po sa mga gifts. I love you all. What's Formula 1? Sorry. If I may ask. Magdi-dinner pa ikaw, tama na snacks. No, nga pala, magdi-dinner pa ako. Pero masarap eh. Sarap. Thank you sa cherries. Thank you. Kasi binigyan nila kami tigi-isa. So, thank you po. Yung racing. No. Pero alam ko may mga sumali dyan na fansite eh. Ayun ba yun? Yung Formula 1, yung sinasabi nila. Thank you for the coffee, Chegumi. Wow. Thanks po. You watch sitcoms? I love sitcoms. Oh my gosh, I can go on and on about that one. So, unang sitcom talaga na napanood ko is Friends. And then, I tried Modern Family. I tried How I Met. Pero hindi ko pa natatapos yung How I Met eh. And then, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Hindi ko pa rin siya nasubaybayan na. And then, ano yung isa? The Office ay, kakastart ko pa lang. The Office, and then, I love sitcoms so much. Oh my gosh. Ayan yung, kasi ako, when I watch something, gusto ko may ginagawa din ako. Like, scroll sa, social media, ganyan. Ganun yung gusto kong gawin pag nanonood ako. So, ayun yung mga shows na hindi kailangan ng parang full attention. So, yeah, I love sitcoms. I love sitcoms so much. Hi, Dino! The Office. Yeah, kakastart ko pa lang actually. Mga episode 3 pa lang ata ako. Pero hindi ko pa siya natutuloy ulit. Ano ba yung mga napanood kong sitcom? I don't know if sitcom siya eh. Bob's Burgers, BoJack Horseman, I'm not sure kung sitcom yun. Pero yeah, I love those also. See you in Miss World Coronation. See you! Recommend any movie. Okay. Oh, wait lang. Napanood ko din yung Day 1. A Quiet Place. Oh my gosh, sobrang ganda. Alam niyo ba, first time kong iklian sa movie, sa cinema. Kasi usually, okay, ganito kasi yung ganito yung kung paano ako mag-measure ng kung matagal masyado yung movie or not. Pag naiihina ako. Once na nafe-feel ko na yun, parang, tagal naman ng movie na ito matapos. Pero doon, man, oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng day one. So yeah. Something I recommend. And Inside Out too. So, those two. Hoping mag-meet kayo ng Horizon in person. Yeah! Oh my gosh! Gusto ko din talaga sila ma-meet. Kanina sa Zoom, dun sa press con kanina, feeling ko sobrang kulit nila in person. So, I really wanna meet them. Inside Out 2 is your favorite character. Okay, who's my favorite character? Disgust pa din talaga. I'm trying to think of someone else na parang, alam mo yun, parang, baka may mas favorite pa ako ng Disgust, pero yeah, Disgust. Ship ko sila ni Anger. Oh my gosh. Wala lang, cute nila together. Oh my gosh, di purple pink. Oh my gosh. Thank you po. Alam niyo ba yan, guys? Lagi yan. Tuwing nagla-live ako, ganyan siya. Pero thank you po. Hindi naman po ako humihindi. Pero thank you po. Beanie Bias. Okay, everyone is equally like talented, equally beautiful all around talaga. Pero I'm gonna stick with Aya pa rin talaga. I love her so much. Like like when I met with everyone, parang siya yung parang feeling ko makaka-vibes ko for some weird reason. Hindi ako sure ha, hindi naman kami like super close, pero for some reason siya yung parang feeling ko makaka-vibes ko talaga when I be with her. So yeah. Yan. Hi Cheetos, thanks for the rose. Horizon Bias, Vinci. And Marcus. Those two. Hi Kaya Editor, thank you for the rose. Hello po everyone. How was your day? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's start there. Hi, Mariah! Hello. Hello, Cuddly Poops. Ang cute naman ang username mo, pero yeah. Hello. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Kian. Thank you po sa mga nag-gift. But yeah, how was your day? Kasi for me, it started very early. Hindi naman super early. I started at 12. Kasi parang nag-soundcheck pa kami and everything before the press con. So, yeah. Hindi naman siya super stressful actually. It's kinda chill. No. Kaya flop daw. Why am I still an idol and you're not? Sorry about that. It had to be said. Had to be said. Kala ko si Gwen, huy! Ikiligin na ako niyan! Alam niyo, ang ganda, I was watching the solo performances ng Beanie. Ang lakas ng dating talaga ni Gwen. That's ayun yung una ko napansin talaga sa kanila. Ang lakas ng stage presence ni Gwen. Ang lakas ng dating. Parang si Alexa, parang ganon. Like when you see them on stage, parang, who are you? Parang ganon. Tita outfit naman like Aya. That's what I like about her. Ayun yung gusto ko about her. Yung tita aesthetic niya. I aspire to be that aesthetic also. So yeah. Beanie X Kaya when. Actually, you know what? It's been a while. It's been years, actually, since yung last parang hangout namin with Beanie. Parang the last one na I was with them as a group, ha? Na parang hangout talaga was P-Popcon pa. So, you know. Favorite music ko sa Beanie. Lagi enjoyer talaga ako. Lagi and ilang na ba yun? 3? 4? I'm not sure. Sorry. Pero yeah, yan. Alam niyo ba, gusto ko talaga itry yung mga dance nila, pero I'm not sure if bagay siya sa akin, so hindi ako nag-post ng pantropy. Hindi ako rin kung babagay siya sa akin. Pero yeah. Sophie and Aya Selkowen. I don't know, we don't have one. I'm shy. I'm so shy. Ayan yung mga ayan yung mga pretty girls na nahihiya ako mag-i-approach. Ganun. So, time will come, pero not now. Kasi I'm shy. Yeah. Natawa ako dito through the fire. Oh my gosh. Like your nails. What? Ang crusty nga niya eh. Pero alam niyo, hindi na ako nagpapa-nails. Kasi una sa lahat, ang mahal. And second of all, ewan ko, parang ang gaan na kasi ng feeling ng walang extensions and I'm starting to like it and feeling ko kasi pag nagpagawa ako ulit ng nails, ayun na, tuloy-tuloy na naman siya. So, tuloy-tuloy na yung gastos and everything. So, yeah. Hindi pa ako bumabalik sa extensions ko ulit. My pet peeve, you know what? I'm annoyed with a lot of things. Pero hindi ko talaga alam yung parang pet peeve ko talaga. Okay. For me kasi, okay, let's think of something na parang, alam mo, maliit lang, ganun. Kasi, alam ko when you say pet peeve, it's something na parang ayaw mong mannerism sa tao. Tama ba? Yun ba yun? Not closing the door. Like when I'm in the room, tapos pumasok ka, and then when you go out, you don't close the door. That one. Sorry. Sorry talaga. Ang dami namang haters. Pare-pareho lang to, no? Ilan account mo? Ilan account mo? Isang tao lang yan, eh. Sus. 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 Isang account lang kayo. Isang tao lang yan, guys. Pero thank you. Thank you for being in this live. Thank you for the view. And thank you for the obsession. Stay pressed. Stay pressed. Stay annoyed. I will keep annoying you. But yeah, going back to, you really love talking to Zaya. Yeah, of course, diba? Like, I don't have friends. Okay, I don't have like, yung mga friends ko, parang, alam mo yun, I'm growing up. We all have our own lives. So, kayo talaga yung nakakausap mo na talaga. And, yeah. So, ayun. That's why I really like talking to you. Kasi, I don't want to, ewan ko, parang feeling ko mas nakikita pa nga tayo eh. Tayo lahat, parang mas nakikita-kita pa tayo eh, than my friends. So, yeah, I do miss my friends though. Hello. I saw Cleo here kanina and nag-ghost ko siya one time kasi nakatulog ako. Okay, ayun. Yung friendship namin ni Cleo, yung girl here kanina, it's very low maintenance. As in, low maintenance to the point na we see each other once or twice a year. So, every time na magkikita kami, parang, kunwari, kami, like, coffee date kami, ganyan. Magkikita kami once, and then like, okay, see you next year, ganun kami. So, yeah. Hi, Revedy, we love you too. Si Sino member din nagka-close ng door? Thankfully, everybody does. Like, lahat kami, nagsasara naman kami talaga ng pinto lahat. Pero, ewan ko, in general talaga, like, that's something na parang, hindi naman siya kinaiinisan ko talaga, like, sobrang, naiinis ako, hindi, no, it's just something na could be avoided ba? Parang ganun. Could be na parang, hindi naman kainisan, pero nangyayari kasi siya, so, nakakainis, parang ganun. So, yeah. Asan si Clover? Clover is at home. I'm in the dorm. Yung dinner. Hala. Hindi pa nga pala ako nagdi-dinner. Pero, yeah. Mamaya. It's fine. Nakapag-snack ako. Snacking. Alam niyo, hindi na ako nakatulog na maaga, which is bad. Kasi alam niyo yung tinatamaan na naman ako ng gutom ng madaling araw. So, nakakahiya naman na magluto pa ng madaling araw kasi natutulog na lahat. So, heist. What is considered maaga? Maagang tulog? Maagang tulog ko is 9 or 10. Pero ngayon, maaga na sa akin yung 1. Usually, nakakatulog ako mga 4 or 5 na. Kasi, ewan ko, dami kong iniisip. Yeah. Hi, Sophia Beatrice. Oo. Lalo na, ito sasabihin ko sa inyo. And kailangan ko rin sabihin yan sa sarili ko. Iba ang maaga sa umaga. Ha? Ang tulog dapat maaga. Maagang gabi. Ganon. Hindi umaga. Tatamaan na kayo lahat. Ayan, through the rain naman siya. Ewan ko sa inyo. Okay lang yan. Pare-pareho tayo. Okay lang yan. Hi, Cassie. Thanks for the coffee. Hello, everyone. Anyway, 1 hour na pala tayo nagla-live. Nag-ano na si TikTok sa akin. Thanks, Cassie. Thanks, Kian. Nagdo-notif na si TikTok sa akin. Mag-end na daw yung live ng 5 minutes. Kasi ang tagal ko na daw nagla-live. Sorry na. Okay, ito. Okay. All negativity aside, favorite trait ko daw sa isang tao. You know, this is one of the smallest things. Pero, alam niyo yung when someone's outside, parang when they meet you, parang binilhan ka nila ng something, tapos sabihin nila na, oh, this reminded me of you. Tapos parang, really? Ganon yung feeling na parang kapag may kinukuha or binibili isang tao for you just because they reminded you of it, that's one. And then second naman, yung people who make things easier for you. Like, kunwari, okay, example, I have this friend na I have a friend group na they went to my event one time. Tapos, alam nila, pagod na pagod ako, ganyan. Pagod na pagod ako, gamit ko kalat-kalat and all. Tapos, yeah, those things. And then, you know, like, when I go meet them, I have food already. Parang ganun, they bought me food already. Or parang, they prepared something. Parang ganun. Or nililinis na nila yung mga gamit. Parang ganun. Yung mga ganun bagay. Like, small things. Small things, ayun yung parang favorite ko sa mga tao na parang when they put extra effort on small things. You know, ako actually, I always say na I'm high maintenance, pero no, I'm not. Like, you don't need to like do a grand gesture para mapansin ko kayo or ma-acknowledge ko yung ginagawa niyo, ganun. No. I don't even like it when people like spend like a lot on me. Parang ganun. Like, alam mo, masaya na ako sa pagkain. Yeah. Ganun. Or kape. Or, you know, a little treat. Kasi little treat culture ako na parang everyday kailangan ko nang may iniinom, ganun. Which sucks. Pero, ayun. Yung mga ganun. The small things matter so much. Sino mag-aalaga kay Clover? My family is at home. Ako lang yung hindi nakatira with them for now kasi nakadorm kami. But yeah, Clover's there. And mas gusto ko kasi na andun siya than with me. Kasi hindi ko alam baka may mga schedules kami na sunod-sunod and di namin siya maalagaan. And ayoko naman na maiwan siya dito. At least sa amin, parang ang dami siyang kalaro. Ganun. So, yeah. Ilan cats mo? I don't have cats anymore. Pinamigay na siya sa relative namin. Pero I had 2 before. Hi, Angelica. Hi, Kriza. Ano po love language niyo? Again, my love language is quality time. So, yeah. Hello everyone. So yeah, mag-end na ako ng live very very soon kasi I don't want to ayoko na mag-disturb more of your time kasi late na din and baka natutulog na yung iba sa inyo or yung pamilya niya na nakikinig pala sa akin, ganun, no. Yeah, pero thank you for your time and I really had fun talking with you all. And ang dami natin tonight. Oh my gosh. Pero yeah, thank you. Thank you po sa pagchika sa akin tonight and for being here and for listening to my rants and my kwentos and everything in between. So, thank you po. And yes, again, meron kaming mga events. Hi, Trevi. Thank you for the roses. We have events for the next few weeks. So, sa July 19, meron kaming Miss World. July 20, sa MOA Arena, Miss World. July 20, sa Mobile Legends, in Market. And then, July 27, yung Horizon event sa North EDSA. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure. North EDSA. And then, July 28, sa Truth Festival in Pasig. And then, for August naman, yung Watson's playlist. August 18 yun. That's very close to my birthday. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. Sana makapunta kayo sa lahat. If not all, it's okay. If you can just go to one, it's okay. Kung kaya mo pumunta sa lahat. Thank you so much. Pero yeah, sana magkita-kita tayong lahat dun sa mga events na yun. And show your support for us, for me, for the Kaya girls. And yeah. Thank you, Cecil. Tama ba? For the roses. Thank you po sa mga nag-gift. Thank you po. And yeah. Thanks, Faith. Thank you, Kian. Thank you po sa mga nag-gift, guys. I'm so grateful for that one. And yeah, thank you for your time. And okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Pero yeah, kakain ako ng dinner after this one. And kung patulog na kayo, rest well. And good job today. And I hope you have a good day tomorrow. And oh my gosh, Sunday tomorrow, no? Rest well. Rest well tomorrow. Ako, I'm not sure about my schedule tomorrow, but yeah. Thank you, Cassie. My favorite chocolate, I like chocolate na may something else. Like, kunwari, may wafers or may caramel na gooey stuff, mga ganun. Yeah, I like those kind of chocolate. Hi, Rian. Good night, everyone. Have a good night. And yeah, I'll end in 3 minutes. Ka muna ulit. When next live? I will try to go live again. Tinatry ko mag-live once a week. Kung napapansin nyo. Deeper Pink, thank you for your gift. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you. Di pa ako nag-wipe ng ano. Kailangan ko na magugas ng kamay din. Pero, yeah. Next live, probably next week. Yeah. Thank you po. Good night to you all. Okay. 3 minutes. Don't rush. Dito pa ako. Do you like accessories? I love accessories. Like, even cheap accessories, I like so much. As in, saan ulit yun sa 28? It's in Pasig. Yung Truth Festival. I think, I'm not sure exactly where, pero yeah, Pasig siya. Gift ideas. Okay, sige na nga. So, okay, if you want to give me gifts, I assume for my birthday, hindi ko talaga alam. I'm not used to this. Hindi ako mahingi talaga na tao. I don't know. I don't know. Tita clothes maybe. Yung mga ganon. Kasi I'm trying not to wear crop tops anymore. Kasi parang hindi ko na siya trip. Pero yeah. Coffee maker, please. Oh my gosh, don't give me one ng mahal-mahal. Yung coffee maker ko nga sa bahay, hindi ko na nagamit masyado kasi I'm always out. So, yun. Bumili ako ng coffee maker ng pandemic and until now, hindi ko na siya nagagalaw ulit. Pero yeah, I love my coffee maker. Pero please don't, I don't know, makeup, I guess, clothes, makeup, anything actually, ito, okay, this is weird, this is gonna sound weird, pero this is something, okay, this is very cheap, okay, so kung gusto nyo mag-gift ng ganito, by all means, go ahead, bigyan nyo ako nito. I really like pouches. Ang weird nito, pero as in pouch talaga, yung mga organizer na nilalagay sa bag, ganon. Yeah, masaya na ako dun. Hindi ko alam, parang iba yung, wait lang, I don't know kung saan ko siya nalagay. I don't know if, basta bumili ako ng bagong pouch ngayon na Sanrio. Kung kilala niya si Piano, yung sheep, yung kamukha ni My Melody, ayun, bumili ako noon, and sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako dun, and yeah, dun, masaya na ako sa ganun. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll go ahead, pero yun, huwag kayo ma-pressure na magbigay ng gift for my birthday. But if you want to, I'm very grateful and tatanggapin ko yan, of course. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for your time tonight and have a good night. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa live na to sa mga chika natin. Thank you for listening to my rants. Thank you for everything. And thank you for wanting the best for Kaya, of course. Thank you. Kasi sinusuportahan niyo kami lagi. And yeah, I love you all. Thank you so much. And I'll see you very, very soon. And yeah, rest well tonight. And yeah, I think that's everything I have to say. I love you all. I love you all so much. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, everyone. Good night. And ako, kakain na ako. So mga hindi pa kumakain dyan, kumain na kayo. Anong oras na? Okay, bye-bye. Don't forget to drink your water also. Ako, I promise I will drink water. Pero yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you. I love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you, Deep Purple Pink, for your gifts. I love you all. I love you. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Gifts. I love you all. I love you. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Gifts. I love you all. I love you. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Gifts. I love you all. I love you. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone.